I'm going to show you an easy way to install and uninstall a Kwikset passage or privacy lock. Saves you the trouble of having to line up the holes. So simply put the screws in first, about 5/16 to 1/4 inch of threads exposed. Have your strike plate and latch installed, and then just simply slide this through. Line up the D. Come on this side over here so you can see the screws. Screws are pointed through. Turn it just about 1/4 inch and line it up with the larger holes, and then twist and lock, and then tighten as needed with the screwdriver. Done.